Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. In today's video we're gonna check this interesting Snapcam power bank from the company Viger. I hope I pronounced it right. This product has been sent for a review, so in today's video we're gonna check it out. This is a very interesting idea if you take a lot of pictures with your smartphone. So we have a 5000 milliamp hour battery, as you can see, and we have a wireless charging as well. It's not the most fastest wireless charging, but it's great that you can charge your smartphone. Let me show you the actual product here. As you can see, this works with iPhone, Android, so this will work pretty well with pretty much most of your devices. Here on the back there's some interesting information, so you can pause the video so you can check it out as well. And now let's unbox this interesting Snapcam power bank. Now let's see this interesting device. So what we have here, so we have some paperwork information, which always is nice. We have a lanyard, which is great. So this is going to give you a camera feeling, so you can attach the Snapcam if my camera will focus. So you can attach this to the Snapcam, which is great. Also we have a Type-C to Type-C cable for charging and connecting to the smartphones. You can use that as well, so you can charge the battery. And also we have like a magnetic ring, so if your case doesn't support a G charger magnetic, so this can also be very helpful. And the actual Snapcam, which is, wow, actually it's pretty cool. It's only 155 grams, 5000 milliamp hour. We have a snapshot button here, so it's a cool trigger. We're gonna test it right now. So you can place your smartphone here, which in my opinion is very cool. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see. Let's peel this off now. Now this is a closer look of the Snapcam. So as you can see here, we have LED lights. We have a light, which this light indicates if the Snapcam is being connected to your preferred device. On the bottom we have a Type-C port, we have a reset button, and we have a button. When you press this button, will indicate that you're gonna charge your device. This is a great thing because you don't want to charge your device continuously. You want to use the Snapcam as a grip accessories. Nothing on the top. We have only the trigger on this side here, which is great. So how do you connect the Snapcam to your preferred device? So you have to turn your Bluetooth on and you have to look for a Snapcam Bluetooth device, and then you have to press the trigger button for a couple of seconds until this light starts to blink, and then this is how you connect the Snapcam to your preferred device. Already connected to my Pixel 7. Now let's see if it's gonna charge first. As you can see, it doesn't charging, which is great because you don't want to use the Snapcam to charge your device for the entire time. Now, if you want to use the charging port as we use the grip, you just need to press this button here. And now, as you can see, the phone will charge. This is great. So this is a great feature. You don't want to charge your phone all the time. Now, this Snapcam is great because you can use it as a stand as well. This is a great idea. So if you have a lot of flights, if you travel a lot, this is a great feature. So you can use it as a stand. This is an amazing feature. This is very lightweight. It's only 150 plus grams. The output of the device is 5 watt, but again 5 watt is alright. So you want to use this device, these accessories, to take pictures. So if you a person who likes to take a lot of pictures with the smartphone, this device is, I think, great. Now let's see if we can take some pictures now. And now, as you can see, this is being connected. Let me see if I press the trigger, if something is going to happen. Yeah, the volume goes up and down, nothing is happening. I think automatically it just connects. Let's open the camera and let's take some pictures now. As you can see, this works with pictures, which is great. Let's see if it's gonna work with a video as well. I think it should work with video. Let's take a video now. Yeah, works with video as well, which is great. This is a good feature. So yeah, I think this device is great. And yeah, so you can take pictures. It's a compact. Yeah, great accessories for your smartphone, especially if you take a lot of pictures with smartphone. You take any pictures with your smartphone anyway, at least do it the right way. Plus, this is a great thing, so you can use this as a stand as well. Amazing. So link in the descriptions down below. Thank you, Vigor, for sending this product for a review. Definitely recommend this product. It's a lightweight and it's easy to use and works pretty good. And yeah, definitely great device. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.